guys, I'm Ziya. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. In here. Bougie is my cat. He's nice and naughty. So this is my mattress, and over here's all my pillows. I have a cloud pillow, and this is a shiny pillow, which goes shiny, not shiny, shiny, not shiny. This is the shine, which has twinkly stars, and this is the unicorn one that has twinkly stars. This is magic all around you, and this is a fuzzy pillow, and another shine pillow. I got my name on the wall. It's Ziya, and here I got flowers. I got curtains and things to hold my curtains so I can open it and shut it. And here I got a window which you can look out if it's getting dark or sunny. And right here's my lamp and my shower machine in my drawer. So inside my drawer is money. I get money by doing chores. And here's my shower machine, my lamp. I have another table over here with nothing inside it. And I have a star, which is a decoration on top of it. There's pom-poms on the bottom of the bed. Kitty is touching my hair. Over here I have is pictures, and it's a pink one with letters, and for the white one with letters. Over here I have a thing to tell me what time it is. This one's for sleep, this one's for wake. Inside the door is my closet. For the llama, a moon, cloud shells, and under it is a ballerina and her llama, and they're sitting on a big golden poof. Over here I have a princess canopy. It's color pink, and I like about it because I pretend it's a pink space rocket with comfy pillow and a Mr. Bear that he can protect us. Inside of it, I have a big pillow, a little short pillow, and another little short pillow, and I got a rug, fluffy inside. So this is my dresser. Inside of it is bows, headbands, earrings, and hair clips, tank tops, short sleeve shirts in here, and down below these two is where I keep short pants and long pants and warm pants. And right next to it is my jammies. And right here I have socks and panties and swimsuits. And here I have old stuff. On top of the dresser I have a mirror, and it shines so bright. I like it. I have flowers, picture in a bunny, and I have another picture in a golden airplane. I love airplanes because we go to trips on weekends when it's a special day. And last time when it was early in the night, my grandma came and we went to Keystone, Colorado. That's why I like airplanes. This is my dress-up area, and I have a crown, a princess ballerina again, and a tutu, a dress that came with that, and I got a sparkly gray dress in the flower one, which is pink and fluffy, and I got cat ears, and then here I got glasses, and down here I have a basket with a fluffy pink blanket that I like. And here I have a cloud rug. And up there is my light for little stuff that are circles that are white, and my light's white too There are yellow lights inside of it and a little polka dot in the middle. If you look at it too long, it'll hurt your neck. And if you look at it too long, polka dots everywhere. My favorite part of the room is my princess canopy, because sometimes we play with it with mommy or Grammy or papa, so we can have fun at the weekends. This is my whole room, you guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.